Hey guys, so I just finished my rebuild on my Np205, which is a pretty common transfer case for a lot of older Chevys, old Dodge trucks, and anyways, so when I rebuilt it, I thought I'd go ahead and throw in the old twin stick mod. What is a twin stick? Well, let me show you. So this is essentially what a finished twin stick setup would look like. Um, this lever controls low, high, neutral for your rear axle. This lever will now control, or stick would control your front shaft, low, high, and neutral. So you could have these operating independently from each other, or you can have them work together. So you would have this all the way forward. That is four-wheel low. Check this out. Front-wheel drive low. Rear-wheel low. Neutral, both axles. And then essentially, like how you typically be running it. This would be rear high, and then I can also, keep this guy neutral and flip it up, and then we're in rear low. But anyways, just kind of opens up those options for you. And yeah, you can't, if you grind these things, the shift rails properly, you cannot engage, two different ratios. So I couldn't run low in the front axle and high in the rear, because if you grind your shift rails properly, it won't let you do that. So like that's as far as I can go. And then there we go. Now we're in low. It's got to lock up. Anyways, so that's essentially twin stick. Anyways, I'm gonna get a video out later just to kind of illustrate it, because I haven't tried front wheel drive on this guy, and I think it'd be kind of cool in the Jeep. I'm gonna wait for it to be a little snowy, or get up in the mountains. I wouldn't really do it on pavement because it's a locking diff up front, and I think it'd just be a little bit harder on the steering column and all that stuff. So stay tuned. This is it. Twin stick by Jb Customs. I'll put a link to their site if you want to look at the options, but I got pretty much the bare bones for an Np205. All right, thanks for watching.